Let's go back briefly to the ancient Greeks and take a quick look at how they influenced the field of psychology. Although psychology was established in 1879, its roots go all the way back to the ancient Greek philosophers. Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle all studied the human mind and human behaviors centuries before psychology was even thought of. And they studied all kinds of topics. Things like, how do we learn? Why are some people different than other people? And how are they abnormal? They also studied memory, thinking, love, what happens after death. There's a variety of different topics that are associated with ancient philosophers. Most of those topics we still study today, but from a more scientific perspective. All three of these ancient Greek philosophers were alive several hundred years before the birth of Christ. Socrates was Plato's teacher. Plato was Aristotle's teacher. Socrates is known best for creating the Socratic method. It's the method of asking questions to draw out more questions, so that we can really understand an idea, a principle, an event from all perspectives. Socrates did not publish anything. We only know that Socrates existed through Plato's writings, which survived more than 2,400 years. We still have many of his original writings. Socrates was actually executed because the community felt like he was corrupting the youth with his progressive ideas. Again, Plato was Socrates' student and he was Aristotle's teacher. He's best known for writing about his ideas regarding the mind, the body, and the soul, and the connection between the three of them. Aristotle is best known for his emphasis on the experimental method, the idea that if you change one thing and observe what happened after the change, if you do that enough times, you can come to understand the relationships between variables better. These three philosophers contributed to what we call epistemology, the study of knowledge and its roots and its nature, how we acquire it, and what is knowledge? What do people know? Epistemology is part of philosophy. Their contributions contributed to the foundation of not only psychology, but also modern science and philosophy as well.